A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Janvi Iyer, and it is indeed a matter of honor and pride for me to be standing here and extending a very warm welcome to all you fantastic people on behalf of the Shailaja Nair Foundation. The ICE Awards came into existence in the year 2009. Initiated by the Shailaja Nair Foundation, the awards are an endeavor to encourage and appreciate the in-house communication in the form of print medium in various corporates. As John A. Peace once very rightly said, communication is not just the essence of human life. Instead, it is a very, very vital part of it. And so, here at ICE Awards, we salute all the organizations that understand this very vital element and strive to deliver their best. Since the conceptualization of this award in 2009, each year has held more promise and better deliveries in terms of numbers and in terms of the quality. The entries have been encouragingly soaring year after year. And it gives me great pride to announce that this year we have had an astounding number of 497 entries. It is indeed extremely encouraging. And all the winners in the 7 general categories will be felicitated with a trophy, a certificate, and a cash prize. But that's not all, for we also have 40 top merit entries, which will also be felicitated with a certificate of merit. Now, of course, to actually boil down to these many winners from 497 entries was an extremely tedious task. And we had some extremely wonderful people judging this entire event. To make you meet the whole panel of judges, I'm now going to invite upon Nikish to kindly come over and tell you about the panel of jury. Nikish, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely honored to invite and introduce the jury members. First, we have Mr. P.K. Ravindranath, who is the head of the jury, and he has been an active journalist since 1952. He began his career with the Free Press Journal and then moved on to the Times of India and the Mathrubhumi. He has worked in various capacities, including a freelancer, a columnist, and a feature writer. He has been a press advisor to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He has been a visiting faculty for Bachelors of Mass Media course, Mumbai University, in prominent colleges. Also, we have today with us Mr. Mohan Nair, who is a media and management consultant. He was the former CEO for Maharaja TV, Sri Lanka, and the COO of Asianet Communications Limited. He was also a senior editor and the chief of bureau for the Economic Times in Mumbai. He has a career spanning 16 years in print journalism and 12 years in the television industry. Also with us tonight is Mr. Mukesh B. Nautiyal, who has 25 years of rich experience in sales and marketing with various leading Indian and multinational companies. We also have with us Captain Nambiar, who is the Chief Public Officer for the Defense at Mumbai. He has served the Indian Navy in various capacities. He has also been an instructor with the National Defense Academy, Pune. We also have with us Ms. Supriya Kantak, who has a degree in mass media with specialization in journalism. We also have Mr. P.V. Vijay Kumar, who is the printer, publisher, and the managing editor for an English monthly magazine exclusively for Mumbai Malayalis. We also have with us Dr. George E. Thomas, who is Secretary, Insurance Institute of India, an organization dedicated to building professional excellence in the field of insurance academics. Along with these, we also have Mr. Umesh Kashikar. For the past 12 years, Mr. Kashikar has been working as a public relations officer to the governor of Maharashtra. Along with these eminent personalities, we also have today with us Miss Vasundhara Sanger, who is the deputy editor of a newspaper called Aspirations Unlimited in Mumbai. We also have Mr. Sailesh Pethe, who is an anchor with Doordarshan and has been of a part of the industry for a very long time. Mr. Kalpesh Modi is the editor and the managing director of Daily Shipping Times, a newspaper that caters the maritime and the logistics industry. Next, we have Mr. Anil Joshi, who is the third generation proprietor of K. Joshi Press. So these were the jury members.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have a huge round of applause for all these very veteran stalwarts who've been kind enough to give us this precious time. And now I guess it's getting a little hot in here, so I suggest let's get some ice out. But before that, I'd like to take this honor of cordially inviting over the stage Mrs. Shailaja Vijay Girkar, the Deputy Mayor of Mumbai, and Mrs. Prema Maman Matthew, the editor of Vanitha, to kindly come up on the stage and felicitate the winners, please. Mrs. Shailaja Vijay Girkar was elected as the corporator for Mumbai Municipal Corporation 3 times. Along with her is Mrs. Prema Maman Matthew. She is the chief editor of Vanitha. The first category of awards for today's evening is that of the most creative name. I'll request Mr. Rajesh Meghrajani of FEI Cargo Limited, Ahmedabad, to kindly come over the stage to give away the cash prize, please.
In the meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the winners of 2009 in this category and the nominees for this year are Tamralipi from Hindustan Copper Limited. The second we have is Magic Carpet from Air India. And the last one in this category we have is Transmission Lines from Tata Power.
I will request Mrs. Shailaja Girkar to kindly announce the winner for this category. Please, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, Tamralipi Hindustan Copper Limited. May I request Mr. Uday Bhide of Hindustan Copper Limited to kindly come on stage. Mr. Uday Bhide of Hindustan Copper Limited. And that's the cash prize there. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajesh. Moving on to the second category, they say content is the king. We now shall honor magazines that succeed in using words to their fullest potential by giving them the award for the most imperative content. But before that, I'd like to request Mr. K.C. Nair of FEI Cargo Limited, Bangalore, to kindly come up on the stage to give away the cash prize, please.
Now, let us have a look at the nominees for this year. First, we have the India Link from the Kioni Group. Second, we have Without Reserve from the Bankers Bank, Reserve Bank of India. And we also have Raintree from IIT Bombay.
And now I'm going to request Mrs. Prema Maman Matthew to kindly announce the winner, please. This is the magazine with the most imperative content, ladies and gentlemen.
Prize is Raintree, IIT Bombay.
IIT Bombay, Raintree, well done. Congratulations to you. May I request Ms. Jaya Joshi of IIT Bombay to kindly come up on the stage. participation.
The first we have is Nabad Parivar from Nabad. We also have Pulse from the Varrock Group. And we have Milonge from the Government Law College.
Well, I'm sure all the nominations have their fingers crossed already. And now I'm going to request our Mrs. Shailaja Girkar to kindly announce the winner's name.
Hans Forum Group.
Congratulations, Pulse from Varrock Group. The next award of the day is the award for the best design and layout.
Let us have a look at the nominees for this year. First up, we have, and that is We Are the Taj from the Taj Hotel Resorts and Palaces. We also have Design from National Institute of Design. And we have Life at Nestle from the House of Nestle.
As I'm going to request Mrs. Prema Maman Matthew to announce the winner in this category.
Best design and layout is We Are the Taj.
There is another star achiever who we have amongst us today. He, in fact, is the only second Indian to have received the Merlin Award. Wondering what the Merlin Award is? Merlin Award is the equivalent of Oscars when it comes to magic. It is given to the one who has achieved excellence in the performing art of magic. We would like today, at this fabulous evening, to honor this outstanding achiever. And so I'm going to request Mr. Gopinath Mutukar to kindly come on the stage. I'd also request Mr. Anup Jalota, Mr. P.K. Vijay Kumar, and Mr. Pratap Nair to kindly come on the stage to felicitate Mr. Mutukar. Shailaja Nair Foundation seeks to honor this free spirit of womanhood by bringing out a book on 99 very special and inspiring women who have inspired India at large. May I invite Mrs. Shailaja Girkar to release the book and Mrs. Prema Maman Matthew to accept the first copy of an incredible book that the Shailaja Nair Foundation has come out with. I will also request Ms. Vidhi Nair, Ms. Priya Patrachari, and Ms. Anjani Nautiyal to kindly join us on stage for the launch of this book. Ms. Priya Patrachari and Ms. Anjani Nautiyal, the two young ladies, in fact, are the writers of the book. So kindly give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's the book with 99 inspiring stories of women who have made the real difference. Unwrapping the first copy of this amazing book on women.